Saturday and welcome back to my channel. Starting the vlog off right off the bat. No coffee montage, nothing, just me. It is currently 2:30 on Saturday. I just finished work. I worked a 6 to 2 today and I stopped by Marshall's and I'm just like in the most productive, motivated mood ever. And I just wanted to pull up the camera and vlog, honestly. It's not even a vlogging day for me, but honestly, I'm gonna fill you in on something. I can feel a migraine coming and I know that when it hits, I'm gonna be out for 24 hours. So that's what happens when you get chronic migraines, is you just start to realize like the warning signs of getting a migraine, and then mine typically lasts like about 18 hours. So I'm trying to get as much done because I know I'm gonna be kind of like out for the count, I think, tomorrow. So I have a lot to organize. And you know, if you guys are looking for a sign that you need to like declutter or organize, this is your sign, because today we're organizing all the little things that I've been putting off organizing. For example, my mason jar lids have no home. I have nowhere to put our dog stuff. I have nowhere to put my makeup. We're just doing all the fun little things today, and I figured I'd bring you guys along. I'm also gonna film a little Marshall's haul for you guys because I might have gotten a few things, and just spend a little afternoon together getting shit done. So this is my little Marshall's haul. It's really not that big, and that's not even from Marshall's. But the first thing is for the baby, not us. Matt's brother and sister-in-law are having a baby, and we both agree that the only things we will buy them are things that will remind them of us. So rockets for Matt and Disney for me. So I got this, and baby clothes are so cheap at Marshall's. Oh my god. So got that. It's 12 months, I think. Actually, I have no idea. I just got it. Then, okay, so you guys know Matt and I have, actually I can zoom in, our little Disney Starbucks mugs. Anyways, they had this at, when I went the other morning to get my coffee, they had it, so I just got this Canada one. I actually don't know if we're gonna keep it or if I'm gonna give it to my dad and my stepmom that are in Florida as like a housewarming present because they just got a house. But I have it. I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but I have it. And then I got this for Stella because it's so cute. I mean, I kind of want it myself, but it was $7.99. $7.99. It's just like a big toy. I feel like she might like bigger stuffed animals when she gets bigger. Then I got these, and okay, I'm gonna maybe, I don't own like just solid black pajama pants, and I just wanted some that were either PJ pants or sweatpants, so I just got these. They're like, to be honest, I think they might be big. Those are supposed to be a medium. Let's try them on right now. I got a graphic tee because first of all, it reminds me of my stepdad because he loves bears, and second, now that I have my Vitae apparel like black biker shorts, I can jump on the whole graphic tee biker short trend. So I got this. It just looks so cute. I love the tie-dye color of it, and it says, "More trees, please. Only you can prevent wildfires." And I just thought it was so, so cute. With some black biker shorts with the black font. I don't know. To be honest, I think I'm gonna pop this on after this video and try it on. Show you guys what the outfit looks like. But I got that. And then I just got 2 of these baskets because they were 2 for, I think they were 20 bucks. Yeah, I just got 2 of them because, like I said, we have a lot to randomly organize today. I'll take you guys through like one by one what we're gonna organize, but I really want to organize our like upstairs closet, like our shoe closet. So that's that. I really want a coffee and I really want a smoothie, so I'm gonna make some kind of like banana chocolate cold brew smoothie. That sounds really good right now. So that is what we're gonna do, but first let's make a smoothie. I've been really loving doing color-coded to-do lists. So purple is anything in the house, turquoise is like social media, and then pink is just random stuff. So I want to mainly organize the bathroom, mason jars, and the top shelf in the bathroom, but I'll take you through everything. There's like random candles up here. I want to do something with this wall. I just don't know what yet. I have a ton of pictures of Matt and I that I think we'll put up, or like when we get Stella, we'll put pictures up, but I want to empty it. So I want to get rid of my ears and then just the candles and put them somewhere. But I was kind of thinking of putting them down there. It isn't necessarily dirty, but like we have this random bike thing that Matt literally never uses. So I'm going to put it upstairs in the gym. And then I want to put those 2 containers I bought here, and then maybe keep a third one here. And then have like one for doggy stuff and just whatnot. But I don't even know what's in there, so we got to organize that. I really use this drawer much, so I think I'm going to put all of our method cleaning products down here because I have them upstairs in the bathroom, and I think I'll keep the mason jars here, but basically there's like all the lids right here and I can never reach them. So I'm thinking of like, first of all, this just needs to be organized. I need to do something with like all the vitamins because we literally never touch them, and I need to organize that top shelf too. So I have containers upstairs that my makeup's in that I think I'm gonna put for these to organize it and put the mason jars in. Or maybe, I'm just trying to think if like I could maybe, I think I might like condense one of these drawers and like maybe put the mason jars in one of these, the lids, or at least, or like maybe, I don't know, we'll have to figure it out. But the mason jar lids need a home. There's like laundry everywhere that needs to be put away, and I am so guilty of leaving my laundry here when I'm lazy, so I need to just like hang it all up and stuff. And honestly, the bathroom is literally just a hot mess. I'm gonna take this container and put it downstairs and use it for something, but I need to organize this, and then these containers are gonna go in the kitchen, and I'll find something else for my makeup. Oh, I'm totally vibing with this outfit, and this is 100% what I'm gonna clean in. How stinking cute. But this is gonna be the cleaning outfit, so let's just get to it. You guys haven't seen like the finished result of my fitness closet. So this is the fitness side. I moved my leggings up there. So those are all Vitae Apparel, Lululemon, Aerie, and Gymshark. And then I have like all my sports bras and t-shirts, and then like just like extra peaches and stuff down there. And this side I just have like all my regular clothes, shorts, jeans, and then we're keeping this kind of empty for whatever. So laundry's all done. Yay. I got this part so much more cleaner. It looks so much better, I think. I mean, honestly, when you open this, it's like really messy, but like who really cares for now? It's like all hidden. But this part looks so much better and cleaner and like put together, and it's just like random stuff we just know what to do with. But I mean, that's what storage is for. I feel like I overestimated how long that was gonna take me because it's only 3:30 and I'm done. Also, I didn't mention earlier, my glasses broke, but I have a new pair coming tomorrow, so that's really exciting. But yeah, that's why I'm not wearing glasses, because they're broken. It's only 3:30. What am I gonna do? Holy crap. I'll figure that out. We might relax. This is a lot more organized now. We just have the candles up there. I thought that was like a decent spot for them. And then this is just full of like knickknacks, and snowman's definitely not gonna stay, but it looks so much better now. And then I just kind of like smush this stuff in there so we can put the mason jars in there. I mean, it's not ideal, but it will work. What else? Just put all of the cleaning product down here. And we also got our playpen while I was organizing. I just need to like clean a few things off of here still, but what did we do? Oh, I put all of the outdoor toys and leashes and stuff in there. And then that one just has like random stuff. It has pee pads for now, but I could probably fit a third one in there, which is actually nice. It looks so much more organized. And then I just put our like reusable bags down there. It is 4:23. I just made some lunch. I have a bunch of snap peas, which are like my newest obsession. And I made myself a sandwich with salami and brie. I haven't really been counting my macros lately. I've just been eating intuitively. I'm editing a video. Jessica's wedding week video. Goodness. Hi guys, update. It is 5:15. I just took a shower, obviously. I'm done. I can feel the headache coming. It's not a good feeling. So I'm gonna make dinner. I think Matt made some meatloaf the other day, so I think I'm gonna have that for dinner. Am I the only one who likes meatloaf? Because I literally love meatloaf so much. So and that's the plan for the evening. Not too much, but you know, organizing really tired me out, y'all. So let's have some dinner. Hi everyone. It is currently like, oh my god, my hair actually doesn't look bad right now. Wet. Oh my god, who is she? So cute. Okay, it's 5:30. Matt, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, babe. I hope you still love me. Matt really doesn't like when I just go for random car drives. I know it's not good for the environment, but I got super anxious out of nowhere, which I've been struggling with that a bit lately. My anxiety's been pretty good for a while, but just, I don't know what it is. The last few weeks, it's just been like peaking randomly, and like, I feel like sometimes it's hard because I tell Matt about my anxiety and he's like, well, what triggered it? And sometimes nothing does. Like, I just get a wave of anxiety out of nowhere. So I'm gonna go for a drive to a playlist. I'm gonna listen to my summer country playlist, and we're just gonna go for a drive, and we're gonna see where we end up. But this is real life, and I want to include this, that like I'm very anxious right now, and I could cry. I'm so anxious. Let's go for a drive. Everybody, pardon my crazy hair. I'm feeling a lot better after my drive. I swear going for a drive is like magic to me. It helps so much with my anxiety. Now I'm having a glass of wine. Not a really big Sauvignon Blanc gal, but Serena brought it over, so I'm gonna drink it. I think I'm going to probably go sit outside on the balcony and read a little bit. I'm gonna start a new book that looks really good. Cheers to that. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end the vlog off here because it's 7. Matt's about to get home and we're probably just gonna watch Modern Family all night. So I'm gonna go sit back outside, read some more of my book, enjoy my wine, relax, and enjoy the rest of my night. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!